Hello my dear young and energetic physiognomy, a very warm welcome to Diksha Vedantu YouTube channel. I am your master teacher Neha ma'am. So yeah, a very warm welcome for everybody. So hi Anmol, hello. So yeah, let me just wait for the students. Oh, 1 second. Yeah. Let me just wait for the students, let them join. Yes, let me know your presence in the chat. Hello. Hi Irfan, hi Anmol, hello. These many hellos. Yeah. Yes, students. So ready for the physics chapter? Ready to solve physics questions? Yes, tell me quickly in the chat. Are you guys ready to start? Hello, hi everybody. Present. Okay, attendance is done. Anmol is present. And who else? Who else are present in this session? Hi. Hi, Yangesh, hi. Okay. Attendance with the like. Attendance with the like to the session. Let me check how many are present. Only 2 likes. Only 2 people. Quickly put your attendance. I can see that. Live watching versus likes. Put your attendance in the like set. Just hit that like. Okay. Yeah. Hello to whole India. Yeah, it's been like that many hellos. Yeah, students, yeah, ready for the physics question? So yes, I hope you guys are ready to solve the physics question. So that is from this beautiful chapter, that is Human Eyes and Colorful World. Right? To see this colorful world present around us, we want our eyes and we are ready to solve the questions with our eyes. Right? We'll read the question and then we'll solve. So yeah, guys, let's start. Let's enter. So, okay. Yeah. Done. Shall I enter? I hope you guys are ready. You guys are very excited to solve the questions. Like is done. Very good. Okay, let me just move this slide. Okay. So there will be this Vedantu daily practice problems which you can get from the description. Just go to the description and you can join there and participate with the questions. You'll be getting 10 questions to attend daily. Just go and join the link. And also there is 5-year previous year question papers on the chat also, or in the description also. You guys can see that. Just go and you can utilize the things which are present. Okay. Along with that, we have our Telegram channel, Diksha Vedantu 9th and 10th English Telegram channel. No, it's not my birthday. Am I looking like that I'm more happy today? I'll be happy every day. Okay. When I was sad, I'll be happy every day, no? With the energy to teach you students, right? That is the happiness for me. That I'm getting to do my passionate work. Okay. So yeah. Just hit the like button, share the videos with your friends, and let's start with the first question on your screen. So what's the question? Draw the label diagram to show dispersion of a beam of white light, formation of rainbow. Yeah? Hello Neetu. Hello. Okay, so see guys, now you cannot draw the things in the chat. You can just put that rainbow emoji, right? So let me tell you. But what is dispersion? What happens in the dispersion? You can tell that, right? What happens in this dispersion? Yeah? What happens in the process of dispersion? Yes. Attendance I'll be checking, okay? Yeah? Oh, very good. Full attendance. Okay. Tell me. What is the answer in the chat? You can write about dispersion. What is dispersion? Yes. You were asking for the question. Splitting of light. Yeah. Into what? Splitting of light into? Yes, Irfan. Complete your answer. Complete that sentence. 7 colors. Exactly. Exactly. Dispersion, spreading of light, it is scattering, right? Spreading of light in all direction is the process of scattering, and we are discussing about here dispersion. Dispersion is nothing but when white light passes through a prism, it gets split into 7 colors. That is the process of dispersion, right? Okay, so see here, this is the process, and what they have asked you to draw the diagram, right? To draw the diagram, and what else? Formation of rainbow. How does the formation? We have discussed this question many times, right? How the rainbow is formed? How the rainbow is formed? In the atmosphere, when there are water droplets, the sunlight, when it enters the, you can see the diagram, right? When the sunlight enters this water droplet, here we will see internal, reflection, refraction and dispersion, finally giving out to the 7 colors. Yeah, right? Okay, you got the point. So now, what are the important points that you should include in your answer to get the complete marks? Let's know that. So 7 constituent colors, that is the first point. You'll get 1 marks. If this is a 3 marker or 4 mark question, you have to write a bit lengthy about it. What is there? When white light enters, it splits into 7 constituent colors. Okay, what extra we can find here? So different angle of bending, this is important. Okay, white light and which bends the most and which bends the least. Okay, you will be getting about that question, don't worry. So just remember, red bends the least and violet bends the most. Reflection, 7 color, rainbow. Exactly. You have written that point wise you have broken. That's good. Okay, it's nice. Water droplet gets in contact with sunlight, reflection, but the main process is dispersion, by which you are getting rainbow. Vibgayar, rainbow forms Vibgayar series, right? There is total is formed diffraction, total internal reflection also. Yeah, exactly. Okay, done with this. So here there is a rainbow also on your screen. Okay, so they are also happy. Okay, yeah. Next question, again from the same concept, similar kind of question. Define the term dispersion of white light. State the color which bends the most, the least, while now only I have explained this, right? Tell me quickly in the chat, which bends the most and which bends the least? Quickly, questions are relatively easy, okay? In human eye, you will be getting somewhat easy kind of questions, right? How do you feel about this chapter? Tell me in the chat. Is human eye chapter difficult or easy? Tell me in the chat. Yes, quickly. Yes, red. What red? Write that. Bends the most or least? Yes, complete. Right. Red bends the most. And what about violet? See here. Where it went? Okay. See here. Is red is bending most here? Why? You're telling easy and red bends the most. It bends the least, right? You're telling the chapter is easy and writing wrong answer. How is that possible? See students, what happens? Your red light has more wavelength, right? So when it passes through the prism, red light do not bend that much, okay? It bends the least. Hello. Hi. Hello. Okay, shall I move? Red light bends the least and blue, that is violet light, bends the most because of the change in wavelengths, right? Because of different wavelength. Okay, so this is again a same question, so I am not explaining here. You can see the Vibgayar series, right? Least deviation is red color and the most deviated one is the violet color. Again, guess my name, guess my name. Now, those who will come with their real name ID, no, I will only call their names. See, I'll do like that. If you play this game, right? Yeah, concentrate here. What happens? Splitting off, again the same concept, so I'm not going very in. Yes, but I know your name. Okay? It will be good, or else okay. Okay, okay. So these are the things. Just a second, students. Just a second. Let's move to the next question. This one is same, no? Again, why explaining, right? Dispersion occurs, light gets split into 7 colors. Let's move. Okay. What is rainbow? Draw the label diagram of formation of rainbow. So from these question, one thing you can understand, the dispersion and rainbow is the extremely important topic. Again and again you see the question in different years in different format. The concept will be same, but the questions will be of different formats, right? Is that clear? Getting my point? You'll be getting same question. Those who have not studied yet the rainbow formation dispersion process, that should be done today. Okay, in this session only let's do that, so that you will not miss out this important question. So if they ask you to draw the rainbow formation, you will be drawing this diagram. Okay, representing a raindrop, one sunlight. You will be not using their multiple color pens, right? Yes. Okay, I'll explain you how the rainbow is formed. First, let me make the video, okay? Your teachers will be helping you with that, okay? Don't worry. I'll be making video for physics, important topics and all. I'll be making that, okay? Now you want, right? Ansh, Purvi, that will be done by the teachers, okay? Don't worry. So chemistry and biology will be taken care, and for physics, I'll be dealing. Coming towards the rainbow formation, see, I'll explain you. Rainbow is formed when there is, you may have heard about this, when there is sun and when there is rain, then only we can see the rainbow. Okay, these kind of statements you may have been heard about this. So why this happens? Because when sunlight enters this rainbow, raindrop. Okay, no worries, Neetu, that's fine, but afterwards you can check out, okay? No restriction, no, okay, it's your wish, convenient, okay? When you feel well, you can go through the sessions, no worries, okay? When sunlight enters this raindrop, what happens? Here there is refraction, because one medium to another medium, right? And after this, after refraction, what happens here? It is reflection and again dispersion. So yeah. Is Ansh, that is clear? I hope you are clear with this now. Rainbow formation. Tell me if you can go and check out the videos also. Human, I have dealt already the entire chapter, right? Okay. Let's see the next question. A color of clear sky from the earth appears blue, but from the space it appears black. Why? This is a good question. This is a good question, right? So yeah, I got to know that you have understood. Thank you so much for telling that. Yeah, it acts as the prism, okay? These water drops acts as a tiny prisms. Fine. Okay, moving to the next question. This is a good question. If we see the sky from the earth, it appears blue. If we all go to space, then we'll see around, it will be black. Why? Tell me. It was in the pre-board. Oh, that's good. So I said no, important one. Okay. Your mom said to attend Neha ma'am's class. Thank you so much for that. Thank you. Tell thank you for your mom. Okay. Because there is no atmosphere in the outer space. Exactly, Pushpa. Yes, Irfan. Water droplets acts as a natural prism. No atmospheric refraction. Yeah. That's all the right answer. What happens? This is Earth. Above Earth, we have different atmospheric layers. When the light is coming there, okay, in the atmosphere, what happens here? When white light enters our atmosphere, don't say atmospheric refraction, okay, what happens to the, why, or tell me, why the sky is blue, not red, not yellow, not orange, why it is blue? Tell me that. Because there is no particle. Yes, in space there are no particle, no atmosphere. And what is the process? Atmospheric? Yeah, what is the process? Yes, because yeah. So see, you can see here the sunlight scatters by the particles, right? So why blue? Why blue? Can you tell me? This is right. In space there is no atmosphere, no particles. In Earth we have the atmospheric layer, so that scatters and all. But yeah, scatters the light. It's not only because blue has more intensity. There is another point also. Scattering of light. No, because ocean is blue, not for that reason also. People were thinking that before the discovery of this. Due to high scattering, Rayleigh scattering theory, the light have, yes, blue light has the less wavelength, it scatters more in the sky, that is the reason. In the process of scattering, when we discuss about scattering, these are the particles in atmosphere. If I can consider, okay, what happens with your red light? This has the wavelength, okay, let me consider particles of different color, so it will not confuse. So these are the particles. Red light has more wavelength, it just passes like this. But what about blue light? Blue light has the shortest wavelength. Okay, yeah, I am explaining here. Atmospheric refraction, but why blue? See here, blue has less wavelength. So what happens? It gets strike to this particle and it scatters in all the direction. Yes, so our sky appears blue. Is that clear? Tell me in the chat. Is that clear? Yes, Irfan, you got this point? Got this point? Why blue? Because it has shorter wavelength. It gets incident on a particle and scatters throughout our sky. But red light will just pass through that. It will not get hit to the particle because it have more wavelength. Tell me, is that clear? Tell me, is that clear? Yes, quickly in the chat. Done. Yes, Ansh has said done. And here, just for information, interesting point is, see how will be the sunrise in Mars and sunrise in Neptune, how different it is. Okay, because of different atmospheres present there, different size of particles, etc. This is sunrise on Mars and this is sunrise on Neptune. Just for information, it is not a question for your examination, just for interest. Moving forward, red color is selected for danger signal. I have just explained why. Why red color is used in danger signals. Hi Quizmaster, hi. Yes, hello everyone. Hi. Yeah, tell me why red color is used in danger signals. Mars and Neptune got different atmosphere. Yes. Welcome. When you have curiosity, you like to get extra knowledge also. Yeah. Why red color is used in danger signals? Yes, just now I have explained the whole process. Why red color? Can you tell? Thank you. Red has longest wavelength and least scattered. Yes, Pushpa, exactly, that's the right answer. That's the right answer, exactly. Okay, and why sky appears dark? We have discussed just now. The difference between actual sunset, apparent sunset is 2 minutes. Why this is? Tell me the C one. Yes, why that red has the largest wavelength and also intensity is more. So when you are driving, the red signal, however far it is, the red rays will directly reach your eyes. That will not get scattered here and there. You can directly see the red light. So it is used in the danger signals. Yeah. Now the difference between actual sunset and apparent sunset, actual sunrise and apparent sunset is 2 minutes. Why? Why? What is the process? What is the process? Can I get answer in the chat? Can I get answer in the chat? Yes, students. So I want all answers from all you. Okay. Yes, the students who are watching, I want the answer. Which process? Imagine the sun is below the horizon, but it appears to be rise. Why? Getting the concept? Yes, tell me. Still no answer. What is the process? So this is horizon, here is our sun. Scattering of light? No. Third question. Third question. Yes, it takes time to reach us, the light rays, but the light rays travels with the speed. Is this question? Yeah. It is application based, right? Application. So you can consider it to be a competency question. Red scatters the least and have wavelength. Yeah. Why? But why this? Why this? It is because of atmospheric refraction. Exactly. Okay. Yes, Irfan, it's the right answer. Here above this earth we have different layers of atmosphere. This sun rays, they get hit here. Okay. Here it bends and reaches us. And what our eyes will do? Our eyes will trace back this light rays and it feels that sun is here. But actually sun is not risen. This is the horizon. When the sun will come above the horizon, we will call it is a sunrise. But what is happening here? Getting the point. Sun is not yet risen, but due to this atmospheric refraction, we can see the sun here. Is this clear? Tell me. Is this clear? Our eyes will trace back these rays. It will not go this, it will not bend, right? It will straightly trace back the rays and you will get the sun here. Tell me, is this clear? Tell me in the chat. Yes, good. What about others? Irfan has got and he had written the right answer also. But what about others? Understood? Quickly in the chat. Let the sessions be interactive so that I can know you got the point or not. Shall I move to the next question? Okay. I hope that's clear. Yeah. This is about sunrise and sunset. Moving forward, why is Tyndall effect shown by colloidal particles? State 4 instances observing the Tyndall effect. So, yeah, which process does the Tyndall effect of light explains? Which process? Which process? Why? What happened? You didn't got this. You didn't got this. Hero, what happened? Yeah, moving to the next question. But is this clear, students? Why such a beautiful diagram is there? Is it difficult to remember this? Scattering of light. Yes, Pushpa. Yes, it is. It is the scattering of light. This colloidal solution, nothing but particles will be in the solution. When light enters, it gets striked on the particle and it gets scattered in all the direction. It is explaining nothing but the scattering of light. Exactly. Exactly. Yeah, if you feel anywhere difficulty, if you feel it is very hard how to get this, please let me know. Oh, you are thinking in that way, hero. Okay. Okay. This is the science. It will bring truth to you. Okay. It will not keep you in the, yeah, let it be. Just come here. Yeah, colloidal particles are invisible. Why? We have seen this. I hope there is no diagram. But in the textbook, we have the diagram, I hope. These two beakers and one white will be not visible here. One ray of light will be passing here, right? But in the beaker 1, you will not see the light rays. In beaker 2, we will be adding a drop of milk. Colloidal particles are much bigger. So, white light falls upon the particle, it scatters. That is the Tyndall effect. Exactly, Pushpa, that I am explaining here. Right? Here there will be, this is water. And here with water you have added milk drops. So what happens? In this first beaker you will not see any light ray. Why? Because there are no particles here, but here it gets scattered. So in the beaker 2, in the second container, you will be getting the presence of light. Is it clear? Yes? Is it clear? Here you will be getting the presence of light. Okay. So yeah, let me see here. The phenomenon, it has been given, the light beam, the path of light becomes visible when it is strike on a particle and it scatters in all the direction. And what is the rest of the things? Sunlight, canopy of, these are nothing but just an examples. We know what is the process of scattering, and Tyndall effect explains us why it happens like that. Then there are some examples like sunlight passing through the canopy of dense forest. From a dense forest, if sunlight is passing from small gap, it will be scattered everywhere, right? These are the examples. And you can consider enters from a smoky room, shining of flash. This is the, we have discussed. Tell me now, let me just sum up this clearly once again. What is Tyndall effect? It is discussing about scattering of light. And how does it happen? How does it occurs? When the light gets striked on a particle, it gets scattered in all the direction. That is what explained in Tyndall effect. And here there are 3 examples. From a small region, from a small hole, if light enters, it gets scatters. Is it clear now? Tell me. Once again, I have summarized this all. Is it clear now? Clear. Okay. Well. It's clear. Then let's move to the next question. Okay. Define power of accommodation from I chapter. So we have dealt with colorful world. Now we have question from I, human eye chapter. Define the term power of accommodation. This was in the sample paper also, this question. Right? Yes, all clear? Well Pushpa, well Irfan. That's good. Okay. Define the term power of accommodation. Write the modification in the, okay, first tell me what is power of accommodation. What do we adjust? What is power of accommodation? One by one. We'll go one by one, not run. Slowly, calmly, let's discuss. Yeah, tell me. What is power of accommodation? Or tell me what is adjusted in power of accommodation. Yes, waiting for the answer. It's the ability of a crystalline lens to adjust its focal length. Exactly, Pushpa. We are going to adjust the focal length here. Okay, then what is the next part of the question? Yes, adjust the focal length. Yes, Irfan, that's right. Okay, write the modification in the curvature of eye which enables us to see nearby objects clearly. Okay, let's break it. To see nearby objects, focal length should be more or less? Yeah. Why ciliary muscles? Adjusting focal length? Yes, Gautam, it's right. It's the right answer. Now, write the modification in curvature they have asked. So, tell me what about focal length first? To see the nearby objects, focal length should be more or focal length should be less? Yes, focal length. Tell me. Focal length should be less. What about curvature then? What about the curvature? Hello, good afternoon. Yeah. Good afternoon, Gautam. Yes. Less. Focal length should be less. What about the curvature? Curvature of the lens? Yes. Less. Yes, Irfan, I got your answer. If you write it once, that is also enough. Yes, Pushpa. Yeah. Curvature should also be less. Do you think? Okay. Power of accommodation is nothing but the property to adjust the focal length. You guys have answered that. Okay, ciliary muscles contract. Ciliary muscles expand, right? So that, yeah, let me come. So here ciliary muscles are relaxed. It is not contracted, it is expanded or relaxed. Okay, yeah, let me come point by point. Okay, what about ciliary muscles? Relaxed. Focal length should be less, and what next? That is, it becomes thin. Just a second, why maximum? While the ciliary muscles are relaxed, the focal, okay. Just a second, guys, why this definition is given over here in the condition of, so this is for distinct objects. Okay, let's be clear. They have given distinct objects also, but it is asked only to see nearby objects. Let's skip this, and yeah, okay. So, let me just remove this all. They are, okay, let me come here. Let me discuss this by myself. Okay. Or else seeing that statement, I will get confused. To see nearby objects, our focal length should be less. When the focal length is less, eye is thick, right? Eye lens is thick. When eye lens is thick, yeah, contraction. Yes. Now it's right. It will contract. Simply that definition, that statements, they all make me confused. This is simple, clear, enough, right? When it is far, focal length is more, lens is thin, and ciliary muscles expand. This is the thing what we want to know. Tell me now, can you guys relate now? Is this right? Clear? Simply don't go to see that big statements, they are just confusing. Simple, clear. Yeah? Yes, eye lens is thin, thick. Yeah, that's written over here, right? Yeah? Okay. Just a second. Yes. Okay. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay. Why do we consider a person is myopic? Myopic means what is the defect present in that person? Tell me in the chat. If a person is suffering from myopia, what it means? Yes, myopia. Yeah. And when lens is thick, curvature is more. When lens is thin, curvature is less. So focal length and curvature are inversely proportional. Remember this also. Yeah, short-sightedness, near-sightedness. But let me come there. Just if you want to take a screenshot, you can take this. Okay, I'll just move aside. Okay, but this is this table. You can write this as a table in your book. Okay. Okay, short-sightedness, that's all okay. Cannot see nearby objects. I'll come to there. But this is important. Okay, write this in your notes. If you are seeing near objects, focal length is less, eye is thick, center of curvature is more, contraction of ciliary muscles. Far, focal length more, thin, center that is curvature is less, expand. Is this clear? This is important. So I have written here. Not in big statements, one point. I hope this will help you guys. And you told here, it is, yeah, what do we consider a person may be myopic? Easy. Cannot see near objects clearly. Exactly. What is the defect with the focal length? Just recall the last slide which I told. What is the defect with the focal length and what is the defect with the lens? Can be corrected with a concave lens. Okay, done. Great. Now, a myopic person, what is defect with focal length? What is defect with the lens? The focal length is dash. The lens is unable to, okay? Or lens is dash. How is the lens? Can you tell me? Elongation of eyeball. Yes, elongation of eyeball. Exactly. That is the reason. Elongation of focal length is not exactly elongation of eyeball. Focal length is less and lens is thick. Okay. This lens is thick. It is unable to become thin. Okay. Lens is thick. It is elongated. It's unable to become thin. That is the reason. Least two causes of defect. What are the causes? One you have written in the chat. That is elongation of eyeball. Yes, elongation of eyeball and lens is thick, focal length is less. You can state this reason. Yeah. Okay, C part of the question. Explain using ray diagram how can this defect be corrected. So you guys have wrote the answer also, right? So we have to increase the focal length. So we will use diverging. Yes, you have written that, right? I have seen that in the chat. Concave lens. Yes. Excessive curvature of lens. Exactly. So any method you can tell that elongation of eyeball or excessive curvature of lens. All are done. Okay, all are done. Okay. Excessive curvature of eye lens. Yes, students. Yes, that's the right answer. So myopia is nothing but short-sightedness in which person feels difficulty in seeing the distinct objects. Right? Because the focal length is less, lens is thick, elongation of eyeball. To correct this, we use concave lens. Okay, let me write that also. Concave lens, it's a diverging lens. What happens if you consider this to be a human eye, right? First, the image was forming here before retina. Okay, when you use concave lens, it diverges and the image will be formed correctly on retina. This is a rough diagram I have drawn here. Okay, getting the point? Hi Soham. Hello. Is this done? Is this done? Tell me, students, quickly. Just let me see you guys. Okay. So the students are watching, but what about the answer? Only less people are answering. Everyone has to answer, right? So you have already studied about this. Everybody should answer in the chat. Because this is a revision, this is a question, practice questions, right? So you should be answering well. Okay, let's me display the answer. Yeah, this is the myopia defect. So image is formed here. So we'll be using concave lens, then exactly here. Yes, okay, good. Good. Moving to the next question. Name 2 defects of vision, mention their causes, the type of lens used to correct. Tell me quickly in just points. Defect number 1, defect number 2. Mention their cause. And yeah, one cause for here, one cause for here. And type the lens used to correct. Lens in the chat. Yeah, 3 points. Name the defect, name the cause, lens to correct. Just now we have discussed about one defect. There is another defect, you know that also, which is exactly opposite to the first one. Tell the answers. So how many hints I am giving you guys? Okay, people, students are watching. But answer quickly in the chat. So you guys have told that myopia, hypermetropia. Yes, Irfan. Next. 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 Cause. Here you have told that elongation of eyeball. Right. Concave to correct myopia. Convex for hypermetropia. Exactly. Done, students. Done. Easy peasy question. Okay, easy one. Again, rainbow. What is rainbow? Draw the diagram. Okay, let's skip this question. Okay, don't worry, I have more questions. Okay, rainbow. We have been discussing from the starting of this session. Tell me now this. What is atmospheric refraction? Briefly explain why does the star appear at the apparent position. Yeah, students, do you want more time to answer? Should I give more time so that you can answer? Tell me in the chat. Okay. This is lagging here. I'll just refresh this. Yeah, in myopia, size of eyeball increases. Yes, in hypermetropia, it is reduced. Yes, exactly. Due to atmospheric refraction. Yes, stars twinkle due to atmospheric refraction. And what is atmospheric refraction? Briefly explain why does this apparent position of star is appeared instead of true position. It is because of atmospheric refraction. And what is atmospheric refraction? When the light, star light, okay, I have explained this yesterday in yesterday's marathon, that is sample paper session, right? Star appears slightly moved. Yes, that is because when light enters like this, it gets refracted, and when it reaches, our eye traces this back and it appears here. Okay? Okay, is this clear? Okay, so you know guys, a hint, a trick to score good marks in this human eye chapter is, the concepts are very direct, they are crisp. But if they ask for you to more marks, you have to elongate, you have to write the story. Okay, the concept is very direct, the light ray enters from the atmosphere, it gets refracted, so the direction of the star changes. But if it is for more marks, you should just include some more lines, like the particles in the atmosphere, dust and all, that is fog, dust, because of that the line gets scatters, etc. Okay, and the density of your, what is this, atmosphere, density of atmosphere is more here and density of atmosphere is less above. Getting my point? This is earth, here the density is more As we go above, their density reduces. I hope that's clear. That is also an important point which you can remember. Our atmosphere has different layers which you have already studied, I guess. Stratosphere, troposphere, mesosphere, ionosphere, etc., etc. In their density will be different. When light enters from one medium to another medium, it refracts. It is refracting due to atmosphere. So we call this as atmospheric refraction. Done? Done with the whole story of atmospheric refraction. Great, 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 great. What about other students? Yeah, what about other students? Irfan is replying regularly. He is giving the answer. What about others? Why not getting the answer? Yeah, this is a similar kind of question. The star appears higher from the horizon. Then they actually are. Explain why. Again, it's because of atmospheric refraction. Same kind of question repeated multiple years. Yeah, John. Numericals. You get less numericals from this chapter, right? If this is light chapter, we can solve more numericals. If it is electricity, then also we can solve numericals. But it is difficult to solve more numericals from your human eye and magnetism chapter. Hi. Hi Premraj, hi. Okay, got John. Here will not get more numericals. Only one formula we will be having, that is power is equals to 1 by focal length in meter, which we have already solved in our light chapter also. Done. This is a theory concept, okay. You can see that your human eye chapter is a theoretical chapter. You can consider it like that. Okay. Yeah. Moving forward, what happens to the image distance? Okay, you asked for a question. Some numbers appeared here in the question. Okay, let's read out. What happens to the image distance in a normal human eye when we decrease the distance of object from 10 centimeter to 1 centimeter? Okay, what happens to the image distance when we decrease the distance of object? Okay, object was here at 10 centimeter. It is bought here at 10 meter. It was in 10 meter. It is bought in 1 meter. What happens to the image distance? You are seeing it from here. Yeah. Yes, Anmol, 10. Image distance, what happens with the image distance? Does it decrease or increase? Yeah, defects of vision. Yes, space aspirant. Yeah, I know that. But very limited, right? Like these kind of questions. Shall I get answer in the chat or shall I display? Yes. When we'll be, image distance will be same. Okay. So when we'll be tomorrow same. Okay, let's see. Tomorrow I hope I'll be taking history chapter. But when there is electricity chapter, we are going to solve lots of numericals there. Okay, don't worry about numericals. Okay, see. Okay, there are already same. Okay, Ratan and Anmol and space aspirant and Irfan. Okay, everybody. See here. Yeah, exactly. There is no change in the, because the image, yes, students, you all are smart, okay. Exactly, you have written the right answer. There is no change in the image distance. It because it adjusts the focal length, right? Because of the power of accommodation. When the object was here, see, first the rays were correctly in the here, right? The focal length was more. When you are seeing near object, it reduces its focal length and adjusts it such a way that image distance is always same. Okay, you all have answered the right answer. But how? By adjusting the focal length. Focal length changes, but not the image distance. Remember this. Focal length changes. Yes, exactly. Okay. Yeah, moving forward. Due to gradual weakening of ciliary muscles and diminishing flexibility of eye lens, a certain defect arises. What is that defect? What is that? I didn't got. Okay, coming towards here, the weakening of ciliary muscles. Why does it happen? What is the defect? Tell me in the chat. Yes, yes, but what's about the spelling? No worries, no worries. It is presbyopia, exactly. So Krishu has answered first. Very good. Why hypermetropia? And it is presbyopia. See this weakening of ciliary muscles, okay? When our muscles will be weak, when we'll grow old, right? And the defect that is caused in old age, that is presbyopia. So Krishu, space aspirant, Ansh, Irfan, John, yeah, still who are yet to answer? Yes, Siva Prasad and okay, these many students. Okay, so they have all answered the right answer. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, this defect is caused in the old age, so there will be weakening in the ciliary muscles, so the lens will be unable to expand and contract, right? So what happens in this defect? Is it difficult to see the distinct objects or near objects? No worries, Ansh, that's okay. To correct, we'll be using bifocal length. Yes, Irfan. And yeah, what is the next part of the question? Write the name of defect. We have told that. Name the type of lens, bifocal lens. Yes, and what again? Explain the structure and function of such lens. Okay. How will be the bifocal length? Lenses? Yes? No. In theory, no problem, but numericals. Okay. We'll make numericals also easy like theory. Yeah, what is distinct? Yeah, bifocal length. Bifocal length lens will be like this. Okay, you can go and check the lens of your grandparents. If they are using these kind of lens, you can just touch that lens. At one region it will be bulk and one region it will be, yes Krishu, it's concave and convex lens, right? One region it will be bulk, one region it will be thin. And where it is thin and where it is thick, which lens is here and which lens is here? When I am seeing something near to my eyes, I am looking from this downer region, right? See here, from the downer part. So what will be the downer lens? This is to see far object, this is to see near object. If you are facing difficulty in seeing, having both concave and convex lens, yes Krishu, yes Irfan, yes, having both, that is called as bifocal lens. Concave lens or diverging lens is used in upper part. So here we have concave. Concave is used to see, used to correct myopia. Myopia is when you are unable to see distance, right? Larger distance. So yeah, here it is concave and here it is convex to see near objects. Okay, concave, yeah. Upper part is concave and lower part is convex. Yes, Harshit. Yes, space aspirant. Yes, that's the right answer. Moving towards the next question. Next question. What eye defect is hypermetropia? What are its possible causes? Describe the ray diagram, how the defect of vision can be corrected, etc., etc. See how many times this has been repeated. 11, 12, 13, 15, 17. Then it should be in 21 and 24. It should come, right? Okay, let it be. Tell me the answer. Hypermetropia is the defect unable to see what? Long-sightedness, far-sightedness, yes, far-sightedness, okay, describe the ray, okay, possible causes, why it is caused, together you write in one line, okay, it will be difficult for me to see who have written the answer. Convex lens, okay, long side, cannot see distinct objects, Hi. Hi, Ch-11. Okay, focal length more and eyeball is too small. Exactly. All the concept you have revised in the chat. All the concept of hypermetropia is revised in the chat. It's good to see. Eyeball is too small. Okay, yes. Causes short eyeball, less curvature of eyeball. Exactly. All the concepts you have written in the chat. Yes, focal length is length. Great students, great. Okay, it's so good to see these many answers. Focal length of eye is too long. Okay, and second, the eyeball has become small. Right. Exactly, students. All the concepts is discussed there. What is hypermetropia? Unable to see the far objects. Why? Because eyeball is small, right? And what about focal length? Focal length has reduced hypermetropia. Focal length is more. Okay, focal length is more, right? To correct, we'll be using convex lens. Yeah. Cornea is flatter. Okay, and no circular. Yeah, the shape of because it is smaller, it will lose its shape, but shape is other defect. Okay, done. Very good. So yeah, long sight, it is also called as long sightedness, in which we cannot see far distinct objects clearly. Yes, near objects we can see, but this defect is caused due to power of eye lens, that is your focal length is more, unable to see near. Yes. Unable to see near. Yes. Then what? We'll be using convex lens. These all answers are already in the chat. Very good. Suitable power of convex lens can correct this defect. Yes, Ratna, right? Ratna, yeah. Do we have like this of session here? Yes, we have these kind of sessions every day. Yes, John, we'll be having the sessions. Don't worry. Till your board examination, we'll be there. Okay, every subject will be discussed. That is physics, bio, and chemistry, maths, social, English. Okay, no worries. Infinity plus infinity is again a infinity. Is equal to infinity. Okay, this is done. Okay, ray diagram. So you can see that image is formed behind retina. Image is formed behind the retina. To bring it at retina, we will be using convex lens. Okay, do you guys know to draw the ray diagram? Do you guys know to draw the ray diagram also? Tell me. Tell me quickly. Do you guys know or don't know? Hi Nitesh. Hi, hello. Okay, hi, I have told. Then tell me, you guys know to draw the ray diagram? Yes. Okay, done. So you guys know to draw the ray diagram. Just how you can remember this? You guys know? Very good. Easy. Great. Okay, how you can remember this? Focal length is more in hypermetropia. So it will go beyond retina. Image will go beyond retina. In which, that is myopia. In myopia, focal length is less. So retina is here, image is here. Before retina. You can remember it like that. Right? Okay, next question. What is by the dispersion of white light, draw the neat diagram. So again, dispersion concept. From the first question, dispersion. Right? From the first question, again, CBSE 10, 11, 13, 14, 17. Dispersion, very important. Ma'am, can I know your name? Yes, of course. My name is Neha. I am your physics master teacher. Vibgayar, yes. Yes, Krishu, we are going to get a Vibgayar series. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Prism, okay, it's easy, good. Splitting of white light into constituent colors. That is dispersion. Yes, dispersion concept is very important. Vibgaya series will be formed. Okay, this has been repeated here only third time, I guess, in this question paper, right? So, very important. Yeah. And which bends the least and which bends the most? Can I have it once in the chat? Actually, we have discussed this, but the students now who have joined, let them answer. All of us can answer. So, splitting of light into 7 colors, right? Yes, Nitesh? Yeah. Which bends the most, which bends the least? Quickly in the chat. Which light bends the most and which light bends the least? Red bends the least. Exactly, Irfan. Red bends least, violet more. Yes, John. Yes, Nitesh. Splitting of light into 7 colors. Okay, you want me to tell what is dispersion and then you will remember. Okay, that's fine. Red bends the least and violet most. Yes, space aspirant, that is right. Violet bends the most, red least. Yes, Harshit. And yeah, everyone. Nitesh, Ratna, right? So everybody. Violet bends the most, red bends the least. Exactly. So let me tell you what is dispersion. So who is asking? So you guys are asking, right? So what is dispersion? I'll take a prism here and I'll incident a white light on the prism. Okay. The white light, when it is incident on the prism, no, it's not too long. We are at the 16th question, right? Okay. When the light gets incident on a prism, it gets splits into 7 different colors, right? So the process of splitting of white light when it passes through the prism is called as dispersion. Is it clear now? Yes, Krishu, is it clear? So, yes, Shan, it's not too long. Okay, if you want, we can extend, but no, it's not too long. And yes, guys, you are absolutely right. Red light bends the least and violet light bends the most. Done? Done. So, you can see splitting of white light into constituent colors when white light passes through a medium, or you can consider prism, that is called as dispersion. Yeah, moving to the next question. Again a dispersion. Oh my god. Yeah, done? Great. Harshit? Yes? Okay. So again a dispersion question. How many questions of dispersion? State the cause of dispersion of white light by the glass. Okay, how did, okay, Newton's, you know this one? It is good. No worries. 7 colors obtained. So obtained on the screen is called visible spectrum. Yes, you can see that 7 colors, so it is a visible range. Hi. So Gunjan Yadav, hi, hello. Yeah, again dispersion, but this Newton one, tell me. Recombination, we call that as, right? Recombination of white light. What happens there? Draw the diagram to show we can draw that, but yeah. Okay. Tell me. Good afternoon, Gunjan. Good afternoon. Yeah, I will be telling that. So, why dispersion occurs? Why the light bends? Because when this white light passes through the prism, it will be bending with different angle. Okay. Why you will get 7 colors? Because this red, when it is moving from rarer medium to denser medium, as prism is, yes, recombination, yeah, I'll be telling about that. See, when the light is passing through this prism, it gets splits and bend into different angles, right? So red bends the least, violet bends the most. So finally what happens? It forms this Vibgaya. If every rays, when they are passed through prism, they go with the same angle, okay? Getting my point? If they go with the same angle, they will form a white light. But their bending angle is different, so that is the reason for dispersion. Yeah, there is different speed because change of medium. Okay, recombination of lens. What happens in recombination of prism? Can you guys tell me? Yes, yes, space aspirant. The speed of light also changes. Electricity chapter, but no worries. Why voltmeter is connected parallel? Because in the circuit, voltmeter, okay, voltmeter measures potential difference. And difference can be measured when you get the potential at this region. If it is 0 volt, if it is 5 volt, the potential difference in voltmeter will be 5 volt. If I join here, what difference it will take in series? There is no difference to take, right? Yeah, John, welcome. Okay. We can obtain white light. Yes, John, yes. So, Krishu, is that clear why voltmeter is connected in parallel, not in series? Here there is no difference. Here you can get two regions. Voltmeter measures that potential difference. I hope that's clear. Yes, yes, John, we get white light. Okay. So, how it is done? So, here will be one prism. This recombination of white light. Video will be there, okay, don't worry about that. After the live also video will be on the channel, okay, you can go and again you can check that. No worries, don't worry about that. Okay. No, voltmeter actually measures the voltage potential difference, right? So that's also a reason. You cannot deny that reason. Clear hai? Good, good, good. The second prism, there again mix of white light. Yes, Irfan. From here when it passes, it gets split into 7 colors. Again when it passes through the second prism, it all mix and it will be again here white color. Exactly, students. Right answer. Here it was white. Here you got the Webb-Gaillard series. Okay. Yeah. Ma'am, can you re-explain this one? Yes, yes, yes. When another prism is placed, it will be forming white light. So see here. One prism, when I kept the prism 1, white light was passed due to the different angle of deflection, okay. One bends the most, one bends the least, that is red bends the least and violet bends the most. Due to that 7 colors will be here. When I pass this 7 colors to an inverted prism, what happens? It mixes, it combines and gets into the formation of white color. Okay. Is this clear? Right? Shall I move? Okay. Oh, there is answer. Yeah, I removed it. Name the type of defect of vision a person is suffering from. Okay. He is using convex lens. Okay. He is using convex lens. So, he is suffering from which kind of defect? Convex lens is a converging lens. So, it should be used to reduce the focal length. Why we want to reduce the focal length? Because the person is suffering with dash defect. Yes? Yes, students? Answer. Yes, hypermetropia. Because the focal length is more and we want to reduce the focal length, right? Yes, hypermetropia. Yes. Yes, everyone. If you rainbow formation steps, nothing but directly here only I can say. First there will be refraction, then it will go inside, it will strike and reflect. Second is reflect. After moving out of the water droplet, it will get dispersed. When it gets dispersed, it bends into different colors due to different angle of bending. Finally, formation of rainbow. And hypermetropia is the exactly right answer. Moving forward, if the power of lens is plus 5 diopter, find the focal length of the lens. Okay, what is the focal length of the lens? In the chat. Hypermetropia, exactly, that's the right answer. 2 meter, okay, focal length, 1 by power, 1 by 5, 0.5, yes, 0.5. Hi Nitesh, yes, okay, 1 by 0.5. So it is 1s are 2s are 2 meter. If I convert into centimeter, okay, virtual and direct, it's 2 meter, why 40? Yeah, you removed it again. John, 2 meter is the focal length. Yes. 200 centimeter, exactly. If we do convert into centimeter, 200 centimeter, why ma'am? 200 centimeter, centi means 10 power minus 2 you can consider, or 1 by 100, which will give you again the meter, right? 0.2 centimeter, no, centi means 10 power minus 2, remember that, not 0.2, 200 centimeter, okay, yeah. Moving to the next, describe an activity to show that the color of white light splitted by a glass prism can be recombined to form a white light by another, okay, also draw the ray diagram. Here they have asked kilo 10 power minus 3, kg is different, okay, kilogram, done. So see here, again the same one, okay, same this prism one, white light splitting, combining, again formation of white light, same question, okay, same question. Shall I move, tell me quickly, yeah? Recombination of white light, yes, exactly, it's the recombination of white light. Shall I proceed? Tell me, shall we move to the next question? Is this clear? Yes, okay. Yeah, okay. Next question, this is not, yeah, 20th question. The function of retina of a human eye. What is the function of retina? Yes, okay, good. Tell me, what is the function of retina? Yeah, what is the function of retina? Yes, students, quickly in the chat. Image formation, yeah, but how? Yeah, light sensitive screen. Yes, that's the answer. It forms the image, everything is right, but why? What is the actual? It forms the image because of the light sensitive screen, right? So it is a light sensitive screen on which we get inverted image of an object. To form the image, yes, but it is a light sensitive screen. Remember this word, okay? Yeah, you have written the right answer, light sensitive screen, okay. Shall I move to the next question? What is the function of crystalline lens? What is the function of crystalline lens? There will be rods and cones, okay. There will be rods and cones which will be detecting the intensity of light and color. Nerve cells. Where image is formed? Yeah, exactly. On retina image is formed. Jayashri, yes. Yes, 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 image will be formed. Retina has cones and rod cells. Power of accommodation. Yeah, can it be more specified? Crystalline lens adjust dash. Yes, that is we study in power of accommodation. It is used to adjust the focal length. Exactly, it is used to adjust the focal length. Power of accommodation concept. Focal length, yes, yes Irfan, yes Krishu. Okay, that's the right answer. State the role of ciliary muscles in the accommodation of human eye. What is the role of ciliary muscles? Okay, okay Jayashree, that's great. Lens provides adjustment of focal length. Yes John. Yes, yes, adjustment of focal length. What about ciliary muscles? What about ciliary muscles? Yeah, tell me quickly. Function of ciliary muscles. Power of accommodation of lens. Yes, 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 yes. Power of accommodation is for lens. Okay. Ciliary muscles function. Ciliary muscles function. It contracts or relaxes. Yes, it helps our eye lens to become thick or thin by contraction. If it contracts, lens becomes thick. If it expands, lens becomes thin, right? So yes Irfan, that is the reason to adjust the shape of curvature, that is by to adjust the focal length. It will help the lens, right? Contract, relax, adjust the focal length, function of ciliary muscle. Yes John. Adjust the crystalline lens. Yes Harshit. Yes, it is to adjust the focal length of lens by contraction and expansion. Yes, shall I move? Is your answers clear? Shall I proceed? Okay, moving to the next question. What are the values of near point and far point vision of a normal human adult person? You can answer this question. What is the near point of human eye and what is the far point of human eye? What are they? Yes, Rohit. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Tell me now, what is the near point and what is the far point? So quickly we have done this. Near point is 25 and far point is infinity, exactly. So quickly we have done this session. It's just been 1 hour 20 minutes, that's all. Near point is 25, near point is 25. John, Rohit, Khatarvan, Jayashree, Irfan, cones and rod cells. You want to know about that? Yeah, I will be telling. John, yeah, yes, far point is infinity, near point is 25. Infinity, far point, yes. Shan, Ellen, okay, near point is 25, far point is infinity. Everybody, okay. You want me to state? I'll be discussing, okay, don't worry. You are asking about cons and rods, right? Okay, so let me clear. Is this done? Yes, near point is done. 25, yes, exactly, that is the answer. You can see on your screen. Yes. Okay. Yeah. I'm not ignoring anyone. Okay. So yeah. So someone. Yeah. Jayashree had asked about cons and rods, right? So yeah. Cons will be used. They are the cells that will be receiving intensity. Intensity I mean is where is there darkness, where is bright light. Okay. Another one, it will be helpful for to detect the color. Is it white color, black color, red color, like this. So finally it will form the image. Getting my point? That retina, it has rods and cones, and what is their function? Their function is to determine the intensity of light and what is the color of light. Is it clear, Jayashree? Tell me. Tell me in the chat, is that clear? Is that clear? It will be helping us to see the dim lights also, low light. Rods for the intensity and cones for the color. Is it clear? And your answers are exactly right. Very good. Okay, fine, very good. Name 2 possible causes for myopia. We have discussed this. We have discussed already, right? You guys have already told the answer. In myopia, we are able to see the nearby objects but not far one. Yeah, what's that? Okay, yeah, defects of possible causes for myopia. We can see nearby objects but not far objects. So focal length is less. Focal length is less, eyeball is. Yeah, you guys have already told the answer, right? Tell me quickly. Tell me quickly, do you want some other questions? Okay. We have done this quickly. Excessive curvature of eye lens, elongation of eyeball. Yes, yes, yes. Wow. Physics will be around 25 marks, right? Yeah, by analyze. CBSE has given, right? Your bio will be of 35, 25, 25. 50, 80 marks. Yes, yes, 25 marks. Physics weightage in science paper. Elongation of eyeball. Yes. Excessive curvature, elongation of eyeball is the right answer. You guys have given the right. Okay. So, yeah, you already have studied. You guys know these answers. Very good. If somewhere you miss, you confuse, just go and study them once again, okay? Just go and keep studying them once again. Tell me now, is this done? Here it's lagging. I can't. Done. Okay. Okay, great. Great. That's fantastic. Yeah, CBSE has only given, no, in that paper, in that sheet you can get, okay? If you want, I'll be sharing that. Oh, left hand game. Then why you'll run in the numericals? Let's do that also when we are discussing about electricity chapter. Don't worry, that is left out. We are done with light, we are done with human eye and colorful world. We are left out with electricity and magnetism. Those PYQs will be discussed. Okay, so yeah, everybody. E is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 18 coulomb. Yeah. Okay, that's a quote. There is no substitute for hard work. Okay. There is no luck, there is no chance. Only if you hard work, if you practice, if you are good with the things, you can. Any study material PDF, yes, you are. Let me reveal a surprise. Okay, I am not going to reveal, but there you are going to get some great materials. Stay tuned for that. Okay, you'll be getting the materials that are required for your examination. Just stay tuned with the channel, you'll be getting that. Okay, done? So see, hard work is very important. You can't say that just 10 days, right? Yeah. Charge is conservation, nothing but it's like conservation of Mars. Neither be created, not be destroyed. Okay, so see here, there is no substitute for hard work. Hard work is the only method to ace the examination. You have selected different languages, I hope. So, different students have selected different languages. Your exams are approaching and all the best for your all exams. Do it well. Okay, when your exams are starting, tell me to have a general idea about your Next one, you can check in the channel, right? So tell me when your exams are starting. Science is on 2nd March, but what about your languages? English and all okay, but which language you have chosen and when your exams are starting? When your exams are starting. Next you will be getting Suhas sir's lesson on mathematics probability, which you can check out in the home page. You can go to live and you can check there. Your is from 19, 16, 24. Okay. So the exams are really near. Right. So then study well. Study well, study well. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. 24, Malayalam. Okay. Tamil. Right. Okay. Then prepare well. Okay. Only some days, few days are left for your examination. Don't waste your time. Plan properly. Study properly and get the good marks. Okay, get the good marks and we will be happy to know that. Yes, students? Okay. So, yeah, just let me check what we had completed this session in 1.5 hours. Yeah, around that. Okay. Yeah. Okay, 16th. Yeah. Then, okay, fine. Fine. Okay. So, yes, students, if you want, there are still some questions. We did, how much I did here? 25 is done, right? Huh. Okay, don't worry. We are here to deal with your science, maths and all. Okay, there it's on 1st April. Invariance of charge. Okay, when the charge is in motion, it will not change its value. It's kind of that. The value of charge is not changed when it is in motion. Done? Okay. Thank you so much for that. Thank you, sir. Okay. Done. Okay, students, so we are done with today's session. Okay, there are many more questions. Yeah, we are done with today's session. Yes. So if you like this video, just hit that like button. I didn't thought it will be completed so soon. I thought it will be till 2 hours, but you guys, students, answered it very quickly, so that it's done. Hour 2 seconds. Okay. Why sometimes we convert hour to seconds, but sometimes we don't convert? Okay, let me tell you. Yeah. Welcome, Sean, Ellen. So, John, why we will not convert sometimes hour to second? Because it is in that cost calculation problem. While we are calculating that cost, right, we want kilowatt hour to be the SI unit of energy. Getting my point? In electrical energy, if you want to calculate the cost, we want the kilowatt hour to be the SI unit. So, there we don't convert hour to seconds. But if it is just to electrical energy or some other numericals, we will be always converting it, but not while calculating the cost. Got my point? Is it clear? Tell me quickly in the chat. Is this done? Is the session done? Is the session clear? Done with human eye chapter? Quickly in the chat. Yeah, done. Any question, any doubt, anything you can ask. We have time. Okay, that's done. Yeah. Tell me quickly. You guys are watching. Yeah, thank you. Clear. Well done. Great. What about others who are watching? I got the reply from 2. That is John and Shan Ellen. What about others? How was the session? Got to know? Great. How was it? Yes, we are done. Yeah. We are done, guys. I hope this session is clear. You got all the points which you wanted to know. And yeah, then we'll be discussing about electricity, magnetism. That will be coming very soon. And some interesting things are coming on this channel. So stay tuned. Share the videos with your friends so that they can also get the benefit of this channel. Share as much as you can. And yeah. Thank you. Welcome, John. Thank you so much for that wonderful comment. Thank you. Concentrate on your dreams. Have a great dream. You want to achieve something in your life, right? You don't want to be distracted, right? So have a great dream. Chase your dream. Live for your dream. Achieve it. You should be a great person, and we should be happy to see you guys like that, okay? Have that dream in yourself. Done. So thank you so much everybody for watching this video. I hope this video helped you. If you like it, just hit the like button, share the videos with your friends, and if you're not subscribed the channel yet, just go and subscribe the channel. The boards are not too far. Just be quick. Remember about your parents. They are working so hard to give you a better education, right? You are getting education. You are able to improve your life. So do that. Okay, done? Thank you. Okay, very less time. Study well, score well, do well. Thank you so much for watching this video.